Question number 9 says graph each of the following equations. Before we graph, we are going to write the slope and the y-intercept. So the slope, when you're thinking about y equals mx plus b, is the number in front of the x, so right here. So that's 2 for this one. And then on the other one, that would be negative 2/3. So make sure you're not forgetting the negatives. And then also be sure not to put the x's because that is not the slope, that goes after the slope. And then b is the y-intercept, so negative 4 for this one, and then positive 2 for this one. So now we're going to graph, and it's helpful to have the slope and y-intercept because that is going to help you figure out where your points go on your graph. So for the part A, we're going to start with the y-intercept because that's the starting value. So remember, this is x and this is y. So x, y. So I'm going to go down to negative 4 on the y-axis because that's the y-intercept. And the slope is 2, so that means I'm going to go 2 over 1, which is the change of y over the change of x. So I'm going to go up 2, 1, 2, and then to the right 1, and then put a dot. So then I'm going to erase all of those other pieces and then do it again. Up 1, 2 over 1 dot. And you do not have to draw all those little parts. You can just count and then draw your dots. So up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. But then we can go the other direction and go down 2 over 1. Because negative 2 over negative 1 is 2 over 1, and that's the slope still, so I would continue on the other end. So down 1, 2 over 1, and then I can't go any more on either side of the graph, so I'm going to connect all the dots and not forget arrows. All right, on B, we're going to start at 2 on the y-axis, so at 2, and then I can go down 2 to the right 3, or I can go up 2 and to the left 3. And what happens is both of those will be either side of the line. So I'll show you what that means in a second. So I'm going to start with this one. Down 1, 2, and forward 1, 2, 3. And then I have one more I can go down 1, 2, and forward 1, 2, 3. The other one is up 2 and back 3. So up 2, left 1, 2, 3. And that would be on the other side of the line. All right.